And in front of me is SONY Xperia 5.2, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to reach the settings, then find and select security, and now click on Fingerprint Manager. Now confirm your unlocked pattern if you already have one, and smoothly add a fingerprint. As you can see, I've got one installed. Let me remove it by tapping on bin icon and remove, and now you can smoothly add a fingerprint to this device again. So now you need to register your fingerprint, so just place your fingerprint on the sensor and release it when you feel the vibration. So let's turn the device around here. You've got the sensor, you just need to tap it with your finger until the fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. As you can see, your fingerprint has been added. Just click on Done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only. Let me just tap on the sensor, or you can also use this pattern that you had, just like this. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.